KNX system, how to add devices from manufacturer website. Hi, welcome back to my channel. The previous video explained on how to add devices using the catalog panel in the ETS software. Sometimes there are also devices that are not in the catalog. For devices that are not in the catalog, we can get the device on the manufacturer's website. Some manufacturers place product databases for devices on their websites, but not all manufacturers do so. So for this video, we will learn to get a product database from the manufacturer's website and enter it into the catalog before it can be included in the project. Just like the previous video, we need to know the actual device that will be used in the installation. For an example, we use 4-channel 16 ampere switching actuator from Green Control. So we need to go to the manufacturer's website and search for the device's product database. For this Green Control website, the product we are looking for is under the output controller type. Make sure the device you are looking for is correct before downloading the device's product database. Next, we can download the device's product database to our PC. To make it easier for us to find the downloaded product database, move it to the desktop. The next process is that we need to include the product database into the catalog panel under ETS6 software. To carry out this process, click the Import button on the catalog panel and then find the product database that we have saved on the desktop before. Then click Open and select the correct product database to be import into the catalog panel. Wait until this import process is fully completed. By using the search function under Catalog panel, type the order number of GC04SA001 under the search part. To add this devices to our project, click on the devices and drag it into our topology panel under TP line. This is how we adding the devices from the manufacturer website to the catalog panel before finally adding it to our project. Stay tuned for the next video. Using another method, we will enter the device into the software.